Why are you downloading sketchy screen recorders when Windows 11 literally comes with one? And here's the kicker, it's been sitting inside the Snipping Tool this whole time, just waiting for you to discover it. Let me show you. Microsoft quietly added screen recording to the Snipping Tool, and honestly, it's kind of a game changer for quick recordings. First, open the Snipping Tool. The fastest way? Just hit the Windows key and type snip, it'll pop right up. Now here's the cool part. See that little video camera icon at the top? That's your screen recorder. Click on Record, then hit New to start a fresh recording. You'll see your cursor turn into a crosshair. Click and drag to select exactly what you want to record. Could be your entire screen, just one window, or a specific area. Once you've got your selection, hit that Start button. You'll get a quick 3-second countdown, so get ready. While you're recording, you'll see a little toolbar at the top. You can pause if you need to, or hit stop when you're done. Simple as that. Once you stop, you can preview what you just recorded. Click that save icon and choose where to put it. By default, it saves to your videos a captures folder as an MP4 file. This is perfect for recording quick tutorials, capturing bugs to show IT, or saving that part of a video call you need to reference later. And since it's built into Windows, no bloatware, no watermarks, no subscriptions, no more hunting for screen recording apps. If this just saved you from downloading another program, drop a like and subscribe because I've got way more Windows secrets to share. See you in the next one.